Dear Biome parents, thanks for your support to e-learning. We really appreciate your partnership. I am going to show you how to upload your learners' projects to our new platform for our 6 to 9 level spring fair. So what you need to do first is to go to our Biomes website. On the right top corner, you can see the Studio Fairs link. Please click on that. Then after you get to this page, please scroll all the way down to the bottom. There's an area called Upload All Flipgrid Assignments below. This time I'm going to use Tundra Studio as an example. Once you click on Tundra, it will bring you to a new page. You need to type in an ID. Please remember your learner's ID is the first name, space, and the last name initial. So I'm going to use Flannery as an example. And let's click Let's Go. Now we can get to the Tundra Studio page. Scroll down and find this big plus sign. Click on plus. This will bring you to a different page so you can see yourself in the camera this time. Now, if you haven't recorded your presentation, you can start a recording by clicking the middle sign. For example, let's click, and in 3 seconds we can start recording. For example, I'm going to present a human body. I can present this way. If I need a break in the middle, I click on pause. Then after I'm taking a break, I'm ready, I can go ahead and click the record again. Then after I finish the presentation, I can click on the pause and click next. So now you'll be able to see what you just recorded. And if you would like to edit it, like cut the beginning and trim the ending off, you can click on this line. You'll be able to trim the beginning by dragging and trim the end by dragging. Then you can repeat by playing and see whether you're satisfied. If you are satisfied with it, click confirm. And now click next. And at the end, they ask you to take a selfie, so you can take a selfie. You can add emojis, stickers, text, or filters to it, but it's not a requirement. Then click next. Okay, now it brings you to this page, and then you can type in the learner's name and type in the title. Let's try human body since we did a human body. Then click submit the video. Then click complete. Now you can actually see your video that you just recorded showing on the Tundra's page. If you have already recorded your presentation, you can also upload it. So click on the plus sign, then click on the right corner, says upload, then click and choose the video file you would like to upload. You're going to have to make sure it's MP4 form so it can be uploaded smoothly. So today I'm going to borrow Caroline's presentation. Then it will bring you to this page. Then click next. Then it asks you to take a selfie again. You can pose and take a selfie. Then click next. Now it's going to take a little bit longer to process this video since you actually pre-recorded the video instead of filming it right on the site. So let's wait for a little bit. Okay, 100%. Now it brings you to the page like we did earlier. Go ahead and type in the display name since we used the Caroline. So let's type Caroline's name in there. Type in the title and click next. Click submit. Then click complete. Then your video should show up here too. If it's not showing, all you need to do is just to hit the refresh button and type in again. If you can't see what you're typing in, make sure you click on the eye and so you can see what you're typing in. And let's go. And you'll be able to see the second one. If you did not want to do a video when you made a slideshow or a PowerPoint, there's also a way for you to present. So before you start, make sure you actually have your slideshow open and ready on one of the tabs. Then go to the Flipgrid page click on this plus sign again. On the left bottom corner here, it says Video Options. Click on that. Choose the very top option called Screen Recording. Then click Start Screen Recording. Choose the entire screen and click on Share. Now you are going to be able to share your screen. So go to your PowerPoint page and you can start presenting your PowerPoint by clicking Present. And you can see yourself on the right bottom corner too, so other learners can see your project and can hear you and see you at the same time. So as you play your slides, and you can go ahead and start giving your presentation. And when you're done, at the end, press the Escape button on the keyboard. Now, go back to the Flipgrid page, click on Stop Recording. Then you'll have your presentation ready, and click Next. And as always, take a selfie, then click Next. Now, go ahead and type in your name and your title, and start submitting your video and hit Complete. Now you can see it over there. And that's it. If you have any questions, email your teachers. We will try our best to help you to solve your problem. We really appreciate your cooperation, and we hope you have a great week. Thank you.